So guys, today we are making a super simple chicken chow mein. This is absolutely delicious. Egg noodles form the base to the mixture. The vegetables I will leave in the description down below for what I use, but to be fair, it is pretty much your preference of what you want to use. I would probably make sure you do include these bamboo shoots. I'm also using some shiitake mushrooms. I've got some nice button mushrooms. And really important in there, we've got some garlic, some ginger, and obviously the spring onion. So first thing we need to do is get on with the chicken. So first off, we're going to butterfly the chicken, which is going to make it really thin. And then we're going to cut that into some slices. Make sure they're nice manageable sizes. You don't want them too small, because otherwise they'll go rock hard and dry. But that's a good size to have. So stage number one, to the chicken we're going to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. This is going to make it nice and crispy on the outside, and it will stop it from drying out. Stage 1 is done. Next up, we're going to make the sauce. So we want 1 tablespoon of a rice wine. This is a cooking wine. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. And 1 generous teaspoon of oyster sauce. To finish that off, we're just going to add a good drizzle of a good quality sesame oil. Give that a quick mix together, and that's your sauce ready. So next thing to do is obviously get your noodles onto boil. You don't want to boil them too much, you want to leave them quite al dente. So you need to be in a position where you've got everything ready and to hand, because this next stage is going to go really quick, so make sure you've got everything ready to go. So get a wok absolutely steaming hot with about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. First thing to add in will be your chicken. You'll see what the corn flour does now. It makes it go beautiful colour on the outside, nice and crispy and gnarly. It's delicious. So fry your chicken off for a couple of minutes, and then you want to start adding your vegetables. So add your hard vegetables first, so things like your pepper, your corn, your carrot. What you want to do is just cook those for a couple of minutes just to get rid of the rawness. Once they've had a couple of minutes, that's when you can add all of your soft vegetables. This recipe, honestly guys, is so simple to make, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Cook that off for a couple of minutes, just give it a right good stir. Then you want to add back in your noodles. Now my noodles are cold at this point, but it's really important that they are al dente, because you really want to have that bite in the recipe. Give that a really good mix together, and the last thing you need to do is just add your sauce. And then you want to just cook it literally just for the last couple of minutes, just so that everything's nice and soft and all the sauce is combined into the noodles. And that's how you make a homemade chicken chow mein. Better than anything you'll get at the Chinese restaurant, trust me. This tasted absolutely delicious. I couldn't put it down. I even had to go with some chopsticks, look, aren't you impressed? Thank you so much for watching guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel to become part of the family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys.